Happy Friday! As promised, finally today I will be taking you on our kitchen tour. So after we moved in, the first thing we renovated was this kitchen. Also, this was our first project ever without any prior home renovation experience. So from my experience, I would not recommend first-time DIYers to undertake this as their first project because it wasn't that easy or quick. But we learned so much from this that we could use in completing rest of our house project. Just a reminder that this is a budget renovation. We didn't make any big changes like replacing the cabinets or changing the layout of the kitchen. The changes happened gradually over a year or two, and it's still work in progress, but I wanted to show you what we have done so far. Alright, so this is what the space looks like now, from dark and lifeless to much brighter and inviting space. So you haven't seen this side of this kitchen because we didn't do much here except painted the cabinets. So the first thing we did was closed off the gap between the cabinets and the ceiling by adding this MDF to give a built-in look. We then painted the cabinets and changed the flooring. Also, wouldn't it be nice to have all of new appliances? It does, right? But our budget didn't support it. So we waited until we got a good deal on the fridge and had to replace our microwave because it broke. So the gas stove, dishwasher, and the sink has to wait. So the next we added the backsplash. It has this handcrafted look that I love. It's a bit different than the standard flat tiles. So coming back to this side, I painted these cabinets, the lower cabinets, dark because I didn't want them to stick out or look too busy. So I painted the upper cabinets white, and that's about it. So it's been already 2 years since we painted these cabinets. I would say they are holding up pretty well. We cook a lot and do get a lot of splatters from the colorful spices, but it cleans up pretty well with soap and water. So the only touch up I need to do are on these corners. I don't know if you can see it, like these ones. Where I initially applied the caulk and it dries over time and it needs recaulking. I hope you enjoyed my kitchen tour. I'll be sharing the steps for painting cabinets and adding backsplash in the next slides. I also hope that you are staying safe and well. I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.